Are you frustrated with trying to share full-length Instagram reels to your story, only to have them split or cropped? You're not alone, and you're in the right place for a quick, simple solution. If you've ever tried sharing a reel from your profile or someone else's, only to see part of it cut off, stick around, because I'm about to show you an easy trick that'll let you share the entire video seamlessly. First things first. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Then, find the reel you want to share. Once you've located it, tap the share icon on the right side and select the copy link option. Now you've got the link ready, but you won't be able to share the full reel just yet. Here's where the magic happens. Exit Instagram and head to your app store. Search for an app called Repost for Posts and Stories. It's free and incredibly effective for what we're about to do. Once installed, open the app and paste the link you copied earlier. This app will allow you to repost the full-length reel directly to your story without any cropping or splits. Now, open the reel in the app, tap the repost button, and grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your photo gallery. This step allows the video to be saved to your device, ready for sharing. Finally, head back to Instagram, and you'll be able to choose exactly where you want to share the reel, whether it's in your feed or directly to your story. And just like that, you're sharing Instagram Reels in full length, no matter if you're using iOS or Android. It's quick, easy, and perfect for anyone who wants to share a seamless Instagram Reel experience. Try it today, and never worry about video cropping again.